It is Bobby Two Pouch Breaks. Saturday, the 11th of June, we are breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus series. Randomed up our 31 remaining box numbers. We just started our series tonight. We have box number 7. We did random teams to the left. We have already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave you all a chance to trade. No one's in a trading mood at all tonight, man. Pop of your seal. Well, Drew, I don't know how you've been doing it tonight, bud, but like I said, man, Drew, you guys all get pissy when I say it, but I don't care. We prove it 10 times a week, guys. That is going to be the San Fran soccer spot with the Deebo Samuel picture jersey, guys. I'll show that in a second. Also, going to be the Jets spot with the Joe Namath stats jersey, guys, that has the Steiner certification on it. Steiner and Bulls White Sox getting the freebie spot, folks. Bulls White Sox taking that one. Well, man, you keep getting stuck with that spot. See if it doesn't pay off and getting you something new. This, again, guys, same thing, has the factory fold on it, so I'm not going to unfold it. If you really want me to, I will, guys, but Joe Namath, Steiner for the Jets. Well, gonna be a pack hit on the Namath there. Drew taking Deebo, man, with the one spot and 3 jerseys tonight, guys, in our first 5 boxes. Oh, damn Steiner card back in there. JC on the Deebo. It's a very cool looking jersey, man. Deebo Samuel JSA sticker and card, guys. Well, Drew, you went dry, but yeah, you're bouncing back all right tonight. And I say it all the time. That's how it happens, guys. You don't hit something for a couple, for a week or two, and then all of a sudden, man, you get piled up with a bunch of hits all in one night. All right, so Deebo going to Drew. Joe going to Pack, right? Pack. And Madden Newport News gets the free spot, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. 8 p.m. Central. Bobby 2 Pounds Breaks. Please stop on by, everybody, and join us.